Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here. Right, I've reviewed this one already. It's the Enterprise from Discovery from Enterprise, yeah. But this had a problem with this one. It had the neck problems. I had a word with Eaglemoss, and they've sent me another one. Yay! So, I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm not going to go too deep into this. We've seen the magazine. We don't need to bother with that one. It's mainly on the model. So I'm going to live unopen that. I mean, it is a nice looking ship, but it was kind of the neck just doesn't seem like it's on properly. If you look deep into there, it's kind of, let me look, it's supposed to be like that, and it doesn't, and I can't get it in properly without potentially breaking this. If I could get that off, I would. It might come apart. There was other problems with this as well, wasn't there, I think? And there's something wrong with the decaling or something. Can't tell where. There was definitely something wrong with the Aztecing, I'm sure. So let's get this one opened. Now, there's already a dint in the box there anyway, so I'm not too happy. They're still showing, they always have been showing these as being out of stock. So I think I was lucky to get one now. But I don't know. Let's have two Enterprises. That's quite nice, really. But it'd be nice if they'd have sent me an XL. Oops, daisy, sorry. Sent you one of them. Right, I can see this one already. Right, I'll compare. See, the original one I got is a 0605 AA, and that's 3580. Why are the numbers different? I just don't get the numbering. And by now, probably somebody might have answered my question, so I probably do get it. Right, so polystyrene iron again. So let's have a look. What, if anything, is wrong? Uh-oh. Yeah, again. There's movement on the neck. It wants the saucer separ. It's not as bad as that one, because that, if you can see, the neck is perfectly in, and that one is got a gap. That just wants, if I could get this off, I would, and I'd glue that back in place. It might even, because there's a peg and there's a hole in there, I could potentially go in if I can get that working. But it's better. It just seems to be, it might come off. Might be just a production problem with them then, but that does look a lot better. You know, wobble it, I can feel that they're loose. But I don't think if it was this one, if it was a different one with the patterns, there's something wrong with it. Like it's almost being ripped off and stuck back in place. Might have been. No. Oh, hold on a minute. It was these. It was the grey bits that just completely stuck on wrong. And surprising, they're both exactly the same. So, yeah, they just not put them on right at all. The grey sections. Although, let me zoom in for you. And for me as well. See, these grey bits just don't seem at all like they're supposed to be there. It's really bad. This is the new one. But I think it's just a bad production error. I think it's just they've put too much of the Aztecing on and then put this over the top, and it looks rushed. Anything on the inside? The insides look like they're missing a little bit. Actually, I bet I could pull that one off. But two Enterprises are better than none. See, pull that off. Can I get... Ooh. That didn't sound good. So we're having two now. I could, potentially... I don't know. I mean, I could possibly get that out as far as it could go, get some super glue in there, and force it back in. But I don't know. Should I? And just cope with it? I mean, it's nice Eaglemoss's customer services got back to me. I think that's the problem with all Eaglemoss stuff. I think it's just a case of we're expecting far too much. We're expecting perfection from all this, and we're never really going to get it because we're too picky. But still waiting for the Shenzhou. We've had issue 14 delivered. Still waiting for the free, which should have come with issue 12, and nobody seems to know where or if. Actually, I messaged them the other week, and they were saying about what was it? They don't track the subscriber gifts until after it's been delivered. So they were expecting. I think somebody was hoping that once the replacement was sent, it would be sent with the Shenzhou. But the Shenzhou is always on for sale in the shop. It's always there. So I don't know why they aren't just send me one. That'd be a good picture if I can get it. Who knew? Ooh. Can I get that as the nah. See, I was like, there was one photo that somebody made, digital art. There was the original Enterprise in the reflection and the other Enterprise above. So all you saw was that. The old Enterprise and then the refit version above. Love that picture. But, I don't know what I can do with these. Don't mind swapping them for an XL. Not to worry. So, yeah, hopefully it was a quicker one and not a full review. But yeah, there's problems with the Enterprise, but it's copable. It's fine, and I might see about repairing that one. If not, then I don't know. Maybe just keep it as is. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to the rant. If anybody Eaglemoss watches these, please send me a bloody Shenzhou. I miss it. I want to do a review of it. Well, the ISS Shenzhou. So, like and subscribe. Please follow me on social media. I've got a Patreon account and a PayPal account. The links are always in the description below. If you want to help out with the channel to be a Patreon, and there's stuff on there, there's subscriber gifts and whatever for people who've been subscribers for quite a while. And yeah, if you want to help out, just do a quick donation. It helps out paying for a lot of this stuff, and it helps me get a bit more production value out of the videos. And yeah, mainly for the tech side. The Trek side, it'd be nice if they were cheaper, but Eaglemoss obviously wanted to increase the price. I think weight-wise, I thought that was heavier. They increased the price. I understand why they increased it. It's fine. But yeah, if you want to be a Patreon, please, links below. If you want to donate on PayPal, please, links below. Follow me on Twitter, and I'm on Instagram. I'm on Discord as well if you ever wanted to have a chat. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Bye for now.